Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and I want to talk a little bit today about one of the things that sometimes can contribute to gum recession. So here's a patient who was just in the other day and was telling me that he's just completed Invisalign, and prior to the Invisalign, his gums were covering the roots of the teeth much more than they are now. As you can see, the roots of the teeth are very, very exposed. We don't know how much exposure there was before, but we do know that, at least according to the patient, there was much less root exposure prior to the Invisalign, and I've seen this a number of times. And it's not like Invisalign is a bad thing, but sometimes if your gum is thin, or you've lost some bone, or there's a lot of movement that has to be done, the Invisalign can be a factor in gum recession. And that's when we use the pinhole technique. And we're definitely going to use the pinhole technique in this case to build up that gum tissue, to get as much root coverage as we can, and to minimize the sensitivity that he's having and to prevent further recession. So the goal is not only to cover the roots as much as possible, but to get thick gum tissue that will be resistant to gum recession, because when that gum recedes, the bone underneath it, if there is any, is going to recede also. So pinhole technique, very, very successful in treating and stopping gum recession. And we see a lot of gum recession here. Sometimes it's related to too hard brushing or just genetic factors. But orthodontic treatment, and including Invisalign, can have an impact. And if a patient is questionable as far as the gum, the thickness of the gum, or the amount of bone, it's probably a good idea to get a consultation with a periodontist regarding treating those areas before the orthodontic or Invisalign is done, in order to prevent or minimize the chance of this kind of thing happening. At any rate, make sure that you keep your mouth healthy. If you have gum recession, we're here for you. Generally, we can treat it very effectively. And the important thing is to remember, keep your mouth healthy, because if your mouth is healthy, your body will for sure be healthier. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.